How to make seamless Instagram carousel posts in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, to create Instagram carousel posts, you can simply first of all tap on the search template option and search for Instagram carousel over here. So as you search for it, you will be able to see thousands of templates for Instagram carousel. So you can simply search for it and choose whichever is more convenient for your design over here. So as you search for it, you'll be able to see different templates. Select on the random one over here or whichever is more convenient. And after selecting it, you can simply make changes in the designs or the fonts and everything. So you can simply tap and shift the pages as well. So if you want to shift the pages, or you want to see all the pages of the carousel, simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and select on the settings option over here. So as you tap on the settings option, it will land us to a new page where you can see the option of show page thumbnail. So tap on it and you'll be able to see all the posts over here from the carousel, and you can simply move the pages as well or change the orders, and you can make seamless Instagram carousel post in Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.